Thank you for considering Bolt Self Storage. We have a location in Hamden, Connecticut, just north of New Haven. Our facility has a gated keypad entry, which means 24 hours a day you can punch in your gate code to get access to your unit. Here at Bolt Storage, we pride ourselves in a quick and efficient rental process. No more driving across town, no more signing paper leases. You can go straight to our website from the comfort of your vehicle or your home, and you can rent a unit, you can make your payment, and you can set up and manage your account right there to do everything you need to do in relation to your unit. And you get instant access right then to go to your unit and start using the space. To start the rental process or to get a hold of one of our customer service reps, visit boltstorage.com today.